Hello, welcome to Locker Blue Trainer Tool. First of all, load the game completely. Start game, and pick some diamonds. Run Locker Blue, and enter the password. Look at the menu, and select Infinite Moves and Points. Enter current value, and the new value for remaining moves. Enter current score, and the new score you want. Pick a diamond again. Congratulations! You have infinite moves and score. Thank you for watching. Locker Blue is a free trainer software, compiled by Tier Gala team for testing purposes only. Be aware that any information in this video may be inaccurate, misleading, or addictive. You run it at your own risk. Locker Blue is supposed to be totally virus and Trojan free. If your operating system or antivirus software blocks it, disable auto protection. Locker Blue is compatible with Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome only. You can find our other related videos and original download links at fbox.com. Bye.